Yeah. You need. No. Why not? Singapore, thank you. Welcome. Thank you. Hi back there. Whoa. Hi. ไฟมันจ้าเหลือเกินฮะใช่
Everyone make some noise for LingOrm. Wow. There's a lot of fans here today and they're so excited to meet LingOrm. You guys here to meet LingOrm first time? Can you raise up your hands? Everyone, Singapore. First time.
You the first time? No, not first time. I remember.
Oh, you recognize them?
First time in Singapore.
First time in Singapore. But I guess they met you a couple of times because I saw a couple of familiar faces here.
Yeah.
But some of the fans are here for the first time, right? You guys get to meet LingOrm for the first time. Welcome and thank you so much for coming to support LingOrm. And can you guys greet the fans over here and then we go in the middle part and there. Okay?
Sure.
เชิญฝั่งนี้ครับ
How do you say hi in Singapore? Or just hi?
Just hi. Just hi.
Hi. Let's go to the middle part. Oh my god. Hi. Say hi.
And over there, this flag.
1, 2, 3. Hi.
Wow. There's a lot of fans here. Well, today, before we start our show, this is just what we call this a sound check. But I'd like to ask both of you, are you guys hungry?
Yeah. I lost my protein pack.
Oh dear.
I feel sad. เราว่ามาตั้งแต่ตะกี้แล้วทำโปรตีนหาย
ใช่ Don't be sad. I asked them to buy a couple of packs for you now. เดี๋ยวเขาไปซื้อแล้วครับ เดี๋ยวไปซื้อให้แล้วครับ ทุกรสชาติเลย
When she lost her ring, like her diamond ring, she didn't say anything at all. But today she lost her protein. She be like, oh, I got it for her now.
Yeah, she was like a little baby crying behind the stage.
Yeah, and it happens right before we get on the stage.
But don't worry, I get someone to buy you already, okay? They're going to buy all flavors in the supermarket for you right now.
Thank you.
Okay.
ไม่เป็นไรนะ
We got to cheer up LingOrm, okay? Cheer them up, okay?
มีใครหาเจอบ้างฝากที่ lost
Lost and found. Is it any one of you, if you guys happen to find the protein pack, please send it to our lost and found, okay? She really needs that.
Thank you.
Because that is what the supplements that you need to take before the show, right?
ใช่
Okay, we're gonna prepare that. Well, before today, our show, I know that both of you prepared some surprise for the fans as well. Very interesting show. Can you guys share a little bit, or is have to be a secret?
You wanna keep it secret or you wanna share it? I think I'm gonna keep it secret. Oh no.
Yeah, it's a secret. So, You guys have to enjoy the show later on. I'm sure you guys will be surprised because I was pretty shocked by the show as well. We had a rehearsal and I have to say you guys are amazing. Seriously. I can't wait to all the fans to enjoy it, okay? It's amazing. Okay, so before, since you guys can't talk about the surprise of the show, can you talk a little bit about Abu Chicken? How is Abu Chicken doing? Everyone is, you guys are concerned, right? Everyone wants to know, how's Abu Chicken doing lately?
I miss Abu Chicken so much.
Growing up, it's a small chicken. Like that, over there. Yeah.
Oh my god, where?
เหมือนมากอ่ะ
เหมือนมากอะ
เหมือนมาก
Is that Abu chicken?
It looks the same.
Huh?
It looks.
Abu Chicken
Over
looks
here, over
exactly the same as this one and also I think the same size.
Same size and same color as well.
Yeah, and same color as
It
well.
looks pretty identical, you know?
Yeah.
เหมื
So
อน
now
มาก
she's growing up and
Yeah.
she moved to the bigger cage now.
Okay.
Yeah, and she has a lot of toy from Uni. Which from you guys. It's a toy from you guys for Uni, but I gave him to Abu Chicken as well.
Just sharing.
Yeah, sharing is caring.
Yeah, you're right. And can I ask you a little bit? Can Abu Chicken sing right now?
Not
เริ่ม
yet.
ร้องได้หรือยังฮะ
Not yet, but I teach him how to say then he's going to turn into the chicken. Like he's a bird, but I teach him Abu naลูกนะYeah.
โอเค
คิดว่าเขาลงกุ๊กกุ๊กตลอด แล้วเขาลงว่าอะไร
How long?
That's chicken.
Yeah. No, that's a parrot. That's a นกแก้ว
Oh, really?
Yeah, but I teach him
Oh.
So you want the Abu Chicken to sing like cook 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 cook. That's all, right? Okay, so today we have a special guest. Everyone ready? Our guest is Abu Chicken. Look at her face. God, it's just.
He can fly now.
Yeah. เราเล่นแค่แกล้งเฉยๆครับแกล้งเฉยๆครับ Okay. It's just a joke. It's just a joke. Okay. Look at the face. They was like, oh, Abu Chicken is here. Okay. So I think our sound check time is already up. Okay. So we're gonna take a break and then later we're gonna prepare for the real show. Okay. So see you guys in a bit. Thank you so much.
See you guys. See you guys in the real show. Bye bye.
Chicken.